Hi everybody, Marie from Minard's Leisure World in Weyburn, Saskatchewan, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the Sporttrek 327 VIK. This is by far our #1 selling larger bunkhouse model, and as we go through the videos we'll talk about some of those key features that has made this our top selling floor plan for many years. So quick history, we designed this floor plan for Venture 6-7 years ago, and after that time it is, you know, #1. So we're going to get started. What you're getting in this floor plan is a triple slide bunkhouse with an outside kitchen and campside windows. Campside windows. A lot of the times you're off into neighborland. On this floor plan you are not. So Venture RV is a manufacturer. That's part of the Thor family. Molded, beautiful molded fiberglass cap at the front with the automotive style front window. So very pretty going down the highway. Better insulation package than the average. So we've got a heated enclosed underbelly. We've gone to the 20-pound propane bottles, power tongue jack, stone guard in the front. There is some funky lighting underneath the trailer, some blue LED lighting that will illuminate under the trailer. You've got the standard scissor jacks. A lot of these larger units are going onto seasonal lots. So we find the easeability of a stabilizing jack that's a manual will hold the weight for better, longer time. So here at the front, we're going to get a pass-through compartment. There's some motion censored lighting in there. And your docking station is on the other side. This floor plan, when we designed it, we did not want to give up the awning space. So a lot of the other floor plans, when you have push-outs on your campsite, have the awnings going over top of that push-out. So what we wanted to see was 2 awnings. Venture sourced out these motion-censored, wind-censored awnings. So if you go and give this a shake, it will suck your awning in. So here at the main door, what you are getting is a friction hinge, larger entrance door. Oh, I have to showcase this as well. This is called a screenshot for your screen door. And if the kids love to leave the screen door open and then your trailer fills up with bugs, or mom comes out with her hands full and can't close it behind her, it closes for you. Love that. Also, you are getting these fantastic steps. This is the step above step system, triple entry, and what it does is it's just adding another level of stability to the coach. So kids in and out, in and out, in and out. Trailer rocking, not the case anymore. These legs are easily adjustable for uneven ground, and it's also fold into the door frame and tuck away quite nicely. So here we are with your push out on campsite, very large, deep, and then big windows. So you can be able to keep an eye on what's going on in your camp area, keep an eye on the kids, and maximizes your living space on the inside. So just wait for that. Let's have a look at the back camp kitchen. So here we are at the back outside camp kitchen. I guess we could call this a canopy. That's going to keep you dry if it's sprinkling outside. A lot of the manufacturers are doing away with the sinks of the outside kitchen, and these guys still manage to give you a sink with a removable faucet because that's got to go in and out. This year we got the Elite Series griddle. So love this. Instead of just those 2 burners that nobody used, we've got an actual flat top griddle. You're going to have to cure that. Google that. So you can cure it and you cook your flapjacks and you can make some quesadillas and whatever you want. It's a great spot. Bacon. Oh, it's morning time. I'm hungry. Okay. The big flat screen TV in this outside kitchen comes with a stereo and DVD player of its own. So what you're doing out here is separate from what's on the inside. We like that. And then you've got some storage and the fridge. So really, this outside kitchen has everything. And the really cool thing, you know, some people want the bigger outside kitchen with a bigger mini fridge, which is fine. We've got those as well. But you get 4 bunks in the bunkhouse of this one. You're not eliminating that 1 bunk on the bottom left. So this is as much as they can do, and it's quite a lot. Here we enter into this floor plan, and I will say a lot of people, when they are making their checklist for bunkhouse models, they want the door that goes right into the bathroom, and unfortunately, because of the big slide on campsite, you don't get it. But this access to the bathroom is so quick and easy. 1 step, they're not going through your whole trailer, kids in and out all the time to the bathroom. So next best thing, door right by the bathroom. So we're going to enter in here. Oh man, where to start? We're going to start off here into the right where the kitchen begins. Beautiful hutch system, hutch area, touch LED lighting. You've got kind of a shiplap accent wall, beautiful bright light cabinets, and they do a stunning job. Storage above. The hutch is all usable storage area, so there's no dummy doors or access panels. So that is fantastic. This is the second year we are seeing the Furrion 12-volt refrigerators, and our feedback at our dealership on the 12-volt refrigerators is that they are fantastic. They are safe to travel, they're larger, they cool in about 2 hours, and 12-volt runs off of battery power. This unit also has a roof-mounted solar panel system, so you can camp off-grid easy and always have your fridge nice and cold. We're going to keep going. Here's your cooktop with the glass cover, little oven, hood fan, microwave. This floor plan has so much kitchen storage, so we've put it up against every other floor plan on our lot, and you know, where one has this, one has that, one has this one has the most kitchen storage. So we're going to get and show you all that. You've got a nice venture cutting board, and that has its own little storage spot, ample counter space. Here is cupboard number 1. Nice and deep, so things like your slow cooker, your rice pot, or those big bowls or anything like that. Nice spot here. Come around and have a look in the island. Here we are in your island, so a nice spot for a big garbage can and shelving on the one side. I'm just going to show you all the drawers on this side. Ooh, found some goodies. This is a sink cover. So actually, while you're looking at the sink, this is a very large stainless sink with the plate drying racks, the upgraded faucet, and if you don't think that's enough storage, here is your pantry. So that's at least 2 feet, 2.5 feet by 3 feet. So lots of space for all the Costco food you want to get. Here we are in your main slide, and we have this in 2 configurations. So keep going through the video, you're going to see the second configuration. This is Booth Dinette with theater seating. So people with small children love to have a little booth here. You have your breakfast in the morning, cup of coffee. Nice big windows on campsite. Remember we talked about that. These all open and vent. You've got windows in your slide ends as well. So that just keeps it nice and bright in here. I'm going to show you underneath the dinette. There is storage. These guys kind of give you these big plastic totes in here, which it's so functional. You can take them in, you can clean them up, you can put the bedding in there, or toy box, or pet food. Anything you want. So nice fixed solid table, Booth Dinette. This will fold down to a twin bed if you need more sleeping space. This is going to be the most popular spot in the trailer, and we have the theater seating with heat and massage and cup holders and charging ports. So whose kids need to charge stuff all the time? So we've got a 110 and 12-volt charging ports, and I love this theater seating because it's different than all the other theater seating out there. You don't just have spot for 2 bums. If there's 3 bums or little kids, this center spot folds up, and then you have your traditional sofa. So you can fit more than 2 people here, which is very important. These do recline, I forgot to mention. I guess I don't have to demonstrate it, but I will. And it goes all the way back for a nice nap. This does not fold out as a hide-a-bed. So remember, the table makes to a bed. This is your theater seating for 2, 3, or 4 people. And across from that, if you just want to have a look here, we've got a flat screen TV, another stereo that's separate from that one outside, and a flush fireplace that's just throwing off a beautiful amount of heat here. Nice electric heat source and some storage above. I like that the TV will pull out and swivel around as well. Marie here, I want to show you a second option for the 327 Vic. Now, both are very popular. You just saw theater seats with the Booth, and this is a King U dinette. So we find that families that like to gather together and you know, not want your conventional eating and sitting, maybe you have more than 2 kids, this is a great feature. Gonna fit about 7-8 people here. This is still a hide-a-bed. These 3 cushions open up this way, air mattress, tables removable. If you eat outside most of the time, you just want to have this as a real chill spot. Awesome idea. And a little bit of storage on the end of both dinettes, if you can have a peek at this. That's a nice spot to store bedding or put your tables down if you don't want to keep them up. Quite comfortable. Very family fun oriented, right across from your entertainment area, and let's just hang out and relax. So make sure you look at the exact photos below, you guys. The photos are going to be the exact unit in stock. We might be sold out, but we might not. So here we are in the bunk room, 3rd slide right here. 250-pound weight capacity on this top bunk. It does fold up. Another little sofa area here with that fold-up cup holder. Love that trend. There is a little table that you can put right here in the floor. It's underneath the sofa bed, so you can, I don't know, do a craft, have a snack, all those kind of things. And this is a jackknife sofa bed. So unlike the one out there, this one will just jackknife down to, I'm going to say it's a little bigger than a twin, but not quite a double. And you can put a foamy on there so it's a little more comfortable. We're going to swing you around to this side, and here we are with the other 2 bunks. So wider on the top, 500-pound capacity up here, and then 250-pound capacity on the bottom bunk, built-in ladder. A lot of people say, well, where can we put the TV? What can we do? You can if you want, and we'll even mount it for you if you bring us a TV. Mount that right here on the back wall. Put it on a swivel bracket so everybody can see. You've got a little storage under here and 2 drawers. And if you're thinking that is not enough storage, okay, let's check this out. So here we are, able to fit another closet in here. And this is the storage for your kids' room. So even if you had extra bedding or each kid got a shelf, there is a hanging rod up here if they hang stuff. I don't know whose kids would hang anything camping, but life jackets or whatever. You've got lots of space here behind the door. So we had a bit of a talk about the bathroom being right off of the hallway as you enter the trailer. Everything's in here. You've got the porcelain foot flush toilet. Access from the master bedroom. Hello. You've got a door right from the master bedroom into the bathroom, which people love. You've got the Neo corner shower and a huge cupboard for linen and towels. Everything right there in your nice little compact bathroom. Here we are into the master luxury suite. The bedding and linen package they do in the Sporttrek is top of the line. Very comfy. That front window has a blackout blind on it, so you're not having to worry about the birds and the sun getting you in the morning. Each side of the bed up at the front here has a 110 plug-in, and the one on the right has a 12-volt plug-in as well for charging phones. A little bit of a shelf for your water and glasses, and then look at all the storage around the bed too. Nice deep cupboards, hoodies, all that jazz. And underneath the bed, I'll let you have a quick peek under here. And this is held up by 2 big, strong shock arms, so you're not having to worry about holding that up as you're fishing stuff out of there. So if you are in the market for a triple slide bunkhouse for your seasonal or to take on the road with you, you definitely want to consider the 327 VIK Sporttrek. This unit is going to be located here in Weyburn, Saskatchewan, as well as Watrous, Saskatchewan.